There's something universally comforting about the humble potato. Start by selecting 3 medium potatoes, which should weigh around 500 grams. We'll slice them into half-inch thick rounds. This thickness is crucial as it allows each piece to absorb the creamy sauce later on while maintaining a slight bite, a testament to the perfect potato slice. Now take these well-formed slices and submerge them in a pot of water. Add a pinch of salt. We'll bring them to a gentle boil and let them dance in the bubbling water for about 10 minutes. While the potatoes cook, let's talk onions. We'll take a quarter of an onion, chopping it into small cubes. The onion isn't just an ingredient, it's a foundation of flavor. And the ham, about 50 grams, is cut into similar-sized cubes, offering a smoky depth to the dish, infusing the dish with its own unique essence. Then there's the cilantro, finely chopped, lying in wait to sprinkle its fresh, herbaceous notes into our creation. If cilantro isn't to your taste, consider the subtle sweetness of leek or the earthy complexity of parsley. In a pan over medium heat, we introduce a splash of oil and a teaspoon of butter. Into this, we introduce the ham, letting it sizzle and brown ever so slightly. I wonder, where are you joining me from? Cooking is a shared language, and I'd love to hear your tales and culinary adventures. So please, while the onions and garlic meld with the ham, releasing their tantalizing aromas, tell me your story. As the onions turn golden, it's time to elevate the flavors. Sprinkle in some curry powder for warmth, a dash of salt for balance, and a twist of black pepper for a subtle kick. Stir the mixture well and let the spices toast slightly, releasing their aromatic oils, infusing the sofrito with their rich, deep notes. The next chapter involves a cup of cream and a quarter cup of milk poured into the mix, enveloping the onions, garlic, and ham in a rich, velvety blanket. As we stir, we invite the yellow cheese and mozzarella into our pot, watching as they melt into the creamy bath, becoming one with the sauce. Now, the moment of truth. The potatoes should be ready. Tender, yet holding their shape, they're drained and added to the pan, each slice getting generously coated in the thick sauce. We let them simmer together, the potatoes, the sauce, and the herbs, for 3 more minutes. As we reach the finale of our cooking saga, we bestow upon the dish a final flourish of freshly chopped cilantro. The vibrant green not only adds a pop of color, but also a burst of flavor that complements the creamy richness. I'm curious, have you ever made potatoes like this? Or perhaps you've experimented with your own variations? I'm always eager to learn more from the global tapestry of kitchen stories. Your insights, dear friend, could offer a new twist to this classic comfort food. Before we part ways, I ask for a small favor. Share your thoughts on this dish. Whether it's a rating, a suggestion, or a personal tweak, your feedback is a cherished part of this culinary conversation.